Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After then, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a glass of Horlicks, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school, and that's all.
In the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next I say my prayer. After then I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Then I get ready for school, and that's all. Bye. Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After then, I go to outside for morning. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I ready to go to school, and that's all. Bye.